Everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make the table frequency functions. Before that, we are going to open the Google Excel. That's that we're going to make the table. First of all, open your desktop here and choose the Excel here. Just click the Excel. So after that, you can go to the new and choose the blank workbook. Let's start making table frequency with functions. That's what I'm going to teach you today. First of all, let's say your teacher wants to create a table of the results of your computer science test, which is the final test. The table must contain students' name and marks, right? So, first you can click either what you want. So let's say I click D2 here. We want to create the title of the table, right? So, let's say final computer science test class, let's say E40, we put here, for example there. So you can see there's problem here. So to encounter this problem, you just drag the column that you want and you just click the merge cell on the center. You can. So we have encountered this problem. Next, we want to put the names and marks. So just double click here and put names. And the marks you can put here. Marks. Right. So put the percent also, don't forget it, and the unit. So we just use the same ways. You can drag it, but before that we can also make the one column for the digit because we want to have a table which is there are many students, which is around 20. So we put first number and second number here. Okay, to solve this problem easily, you can drag to column and row. Yes, you just drag. You can click the smallest one here and drag it to the downward. And you can see the number. You can increase, right, the number that you will copy. So let's say we want 20 students. Boom, let's done it. Alright. So we have no the limit. So we just click to merge the cell names here. Go to the here and just click the match cross, and use the same way to the marks and match across. Alright, that's done. Let's go for the next session. I have put the names and marks for the students here until 20, and we can see the table looks messy, right? So to arrange this table orderly, we can drag from D2 here to the J23. We drag it and highlight it and click center. You can see the table look orderly. Let's go to the next part, which is we are going to put the borders on the table. We can drag all of it here. Choose the borders here. You can, if you want the other, which is top border, left border, right border too, but we are going to put the common one, which is the all borders. Choose it. You can see, still drag all of it. Alright. Let's go to the line color, which is I'm going to put the green color here. Choose the green and put the all borders. You can see it become green. Alright, after that you also can go to the line star if you want to change it. Let's say I want to put the thickness here, it will become like that, but I will stay with my opinion, which is the easily line star, which is here. So you also can fill the background color. You can go to more borders here and go to the fill here, which is I'm going to put the brightness color because we want to see the delta easily. So I choose the yellow one part. Yeah, you can see the delta easily, right? So that's why I choose the brightness color. Alright, now I'm going to say congratulations because you have built your first ever table in your life. For the next part, we are going to calculate the value of the functions. First of all, you can double click the ideal place. For example, here we click the value. Here we can click the average, and down here we can click the minimum. Here you can click the maximum, and lastly is total. You also can decorate the table and make it to the borders here and choose the all borders. For functions here too, the all borders. So done. For calculate the average value, first you click here, the place you want to calculate, and you can see here there are some, which is the total, average, count numbers, maximum, and minimum value. So we are going to calculate average, right? So we just click the average here. Alright, yes. So we are going to calculate the average marks, right? So from the 1 to the 20 students, we can see H4 to the J23. H4 starting from a H4 to the J23. So we just press enter. Alright, for the minimum too, just the same ways. For the minimum, just click the minimum here and press the marks, highlight the marks, H4 to the J23 and press enter. For the maximum too, just press the maximum here, just highlight, break down to down there. So we get H4 to J23 too, and the maximum, press enter. So we get 99, which is the maximum here is 99. Alright, for the total too, we go to the sum function here, just choose the sum, which is the total. Choose the sum here and drag down, and we get H4 to J23. So we get this total here, which is 1535 for the final computer science test marks for class E40. Alright, for the functions, it's a very useful. Today we are going to calculate too many data and calculation. For example, we can see there are many students here, which is the 20 students. So we can get the average value just by drag it, and we get the value for the minimum to maximum and the total. So we get the total for the final computer science test marks, which is 1535. So now we have done our creating table of frequency and functions. So I hope you understand how to create the table to calculate average value, minimum value, maximum value, and total value. That's all from today. Thank you.